Yeah, welcome back. Finished frying my brain at school. Now we're TAFE anyway. Now we're headed back home. We skipping gears and shit. Not going into gears properly. Oh, we've got a good smell from that. Down, I guess. Pull the visor down. Strapped in underneath. Right, I think I'll take the long way back home today. I feel like an extra long ride. But another fun day of learning about pathogens and infections and all sorts of zoonotic diseases and what the heck they do to you. Some of it's pretty bloody crazy, I tell you. I think we turn left here, yeah? Yeah, Pacific Highway City Centre, this is the one we want. So go to City Centre. Wish that guy would stick in his lane. This takes us past Coles. Don't need anything from Coles. That one energy drink I had this morning's enough to get me through. Give me some burst of energy. Flies are up when I'm going through the middle of town. Maybe this wasn't the roundabout I wanted to turn off there. There's definitely another one. Yeah, it's the next one. one's behind me. They've got a good gap, because I don't really have an escape path here. There we go, escape path opened up. He's going that way, even though he doesn't have a blinker on. Lots of sides of the vehicles. Pedestrians, another side of the vehicle. P-plater behind me, that could be dangerous. Watching out for people reversing. I'm also in open lane pattern. Probably won't need to bother. There's a vehicle, L-plater, definitely a hazard. Coming up to a crossing. No one's there. I'm coming up to a shared area. Keeping an eye out on the guy behind me. Pedestrians everywhere. Jeez, it's starting to heat up. Ooh, he's going reversing. Watching out for other people pulling out. We've got pedestrians. There is an escape path that way, but I don't want to go left. So we'll just leave some nice room in front of me, just in case. Paying attention, lady. Good. Oh, now I get to sit here and get baked by the sun. Come on, my brother. Let's do this. Alright, watching out for those guys. We're turning. Good, we're across. We've escaped that intersection. I forgot to look both ways, but I mean, if someone had to run it, they would have run into these guys beforehand. Good job, kid. Paying attention to that too. Pushing out behind me. Making sure everyone else is paying attention. Side of the vehicle. Potholes and bumps. Lots of bloody people. Pedestrians. Did do up my bloody saddlebag, yeah. It's all secure. Right. Vehicle's turning, he sees me though. Is the camera even going? Yeah, cool. Just double checking. Right. Coming up to a stop. Heavily used roundabout, I guess. Good. People behind me know I'm here. Another Queenslander. Oh man, she warm today. Now there's a bunch of bloody people crossing up here. That's what the hold up is. Should be getting a move on now. This is not the way to come at bloody 10 past 3. Lots of oil in the middle of the road. At least liquid anyway. Stay away from that.